Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete GCash transaction history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So due to security purposes, the GCash transaction history cannot be deleted and will remain on your GCash account for you to access. If you still want to delete GCash transaction history, the only way is to delete your GCash account permanently. Now, most of you will not do this, but in some scenarios you want to delete your transaction history. So the only way that you have is to deleting your GCash account. In order to do that, click on profile icon on the bottom right, and then you need to go for the help center. Once you go for the help center, you need to click on the chat with Gigi. Once you click on chat with Gigi, you just need to go for submit a report option, or in other words, submit a ticket option. After typing submit a ticket, you just need to click on the link that will be given to you, which is submit ticket button. You're going to need to add your full name, email, phone number, your concerned category, which will going to be GCash account. And then you need to go for I want to close my GCash account, select your account type, and then select the reason. You need to enter all the reasons that are given below. And then you need to fill all these required information and you are done. So that's basically how you can delete GCash transaction history. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.